Hi there, this is Joanne Rudling from howtospell.co.uk, and in this video we're looking at the letter patterns that have the sh sound in them. Letter patterns are also called spelling patterns and letter strings. Good spellers know common letter patterns and can write them automatically. Good spellers also know the different sounds that go with these letter patterns. How many ways can you spell the sound sh? Think of the endings of words and also some beginnings. For example, we've got sheep, nation, obsession. What others do you know? Can you think? Some in the beginning, some at the end, some in the middle. Okay, well, we have the common SH pattern, haven't we? Sheep, wish, fashion. You can have it at the beginning, at the end, in the middle. Sh. And then we have the sion ending, shun, mission, permission, session, and the sh, pressure, treasure, measure, the show, social, special, official, shunt, ancient, sufficient, patient, and the tissue, issue, shoe, tissue, issue, essential, substantial, partial, shun, lotion, portion, condition, and then we have ocean. We have the SIA, Asia or Asian, Russia, Russian, Persia, Persian. Then we have shus, gracious, delicious, ambitious. We've got some GE endings as well, beige, massage. Some of those endings anyway. Like all these, they're probably exceptions, always exceptions in English spelling. We've got beginnings, sugar, sure, insurance. Also, we have the French influence of the CH as the SH. Chef, machine, champagne, brochure, moustache, loads of them. Okay, that's just a quick look at the SH sound and its letter patterns. If you'd like to know more about letter patterns and their sounds, go to my website at www.howtospell.co.uk and check out my spelling patterns and their pronunciation masterclass. It's a fantastic course. We'll see you there. Okay, bye. Thanks for listening.